Hi, I'm AK and welcome to my channel Artistic K-pop. Before we jump onto the video, I just wanted to say please watch the whole video and get to know about this whole issue before you jump onto any conclusion. And let's move on to the video. Recently, Aping's Chorong was accused of school violence and bullying by her childhood friend. And let's call this person a netizen A. But Chorong and her agency Playam Entertainment denied all the allegations and said that they will be taking strict legal actions. Playam Entertainment revealed that Chorong met with the accuser, but the accuser kept distorting the facts. They also said that the accuser recorded their conversation with Chorong where she apologizes for giving her any discomfort. But point to be noted, Chorong did not apologize for or admitted any bullying allegations. But netizen A did not stop there. Later, netizen A held many interviews with many news outlets, providing more detailed information about the issue as well as past photos. In an interview with Sports Khan, netizen A revealed her side of story, saying that she met Chorong on the street when they were attending different high schools and ended up being physically assaulted by a group. On that note, netizen A said, "Back in 2008 when I was 18, I randomly bumped into Chorong on the street and she looked at me with an unpleasant face when I showed a smile. Afterwards, her friends said, 'Hey, Chorong wants to hit you,' as they dragged me to some alley. Chorong said, 'Seeing you smile at me doesn't make me happy,' before slapping me on the cheek and kicking my shin." Netizen A also claimed that Chorong's friend assaulted her on the head, shoulder and back, causing them to have swelling of the face and bruises all over the body. In another interview with MBN, netizen A provided screenshots of their Instagram DM messages with Chorong as well as past photos of Chorong. In this interview, netizen A said, "If you are even little bit sorry about what you did to me, then make an official apology." After that, in an interview with Tenacia, netizen A revealed that she received a phone call from Chorong after sending the DM. In this interview, netizen A said, "After sending the DM, I received a call from Chorong. She revealed that she remembers that moment and apologized to me. And after a few days, Chorong requested that we meet in person, but I denied the request due to the trauma I had from that time. I then sent her a text saying, 'I wish you wouldn't appear on TV, and if you want to continue as a celebrity, then admit to your actions and make an official apology.' Netizen A then said, 'I sent her a DM asking for an apology, but instead I was subjected to police investigation for crime of defamation of false information and attempted coercion.' Afterwards, netizen A said, 'In the first phone call, I did receive a quick sorry, but I wanted a public apology. But during the second phone call, Chorong changed her statement and claimed that she had not inflicted harassment on netizen A.' Netizen A also said that she has an audio recording of the first phone call where she apologizes as an evidence. Afterwards, netizen A has also filed a lawsuit against Chorong for spreading of false rumors. On that note, netizen A's legal representative said, "If Chorong's agency claims these allegations are false, then one of the two is lying. We have lot of evidences to prove netizen A's innocence and we will take strong legal actions against Park Chorong." After that, Playam Entertainment also released a statement denying all the allegations and said the reported issue from netizen A has already threatened Park Chorong with the same content and is an obvious claim trying to scratch her image. Even after correcting the facts, netizen A has continued to overturn the facts. In this regard, as stated earlier, we will also take strict legal responsibility for this matter based on our evidences. And as such, it looks like this whole matter will be solved in the court, and now we have to see if those allegations are true or not after the court's decision comes out. And if you want more updates on this matter, then subscribe to my channel and also click on bell icon for all notifications.